Good morning student. Today we will learn chapter 11 force and pressure. Force. Today we learn force. Force is any push, pull, kick, slide, lift, throw, catch, movement or indicate that applied force. The effect of force. So force can change speed of the object, force can change direction of the object, and force can change shape of the object. Types of force. So force we can divide in two parts. First, contact force. Second, non-contact force. In contact force, force that acts by direct or indirect contact, that is called contact force. For example, muscular force. Muscular force acts by the muscles, or we pull the anything by our hand, so it is comes in muscular force. Second is mechanical force, acted by machine are called mechanical force. So when we use any machine, so that force is called mechanical force. Force is fractional force. This is acted by the opposite of motion or fraction. It is called fractional force. For example, any ball roll on the ground, so after some time it will stop rolling. That is example of fractional force. Next is non-contact force. So that force is acted by non-direct or indirect contact. First is gravitational force. That force acts between the universal object. For example, when we throw the any ball upper side, so it comes on the earth. It is example of gravitational force. Second is electrostatic force. This force is acted by electric charge. Third is magnetic force. This force is acted by the magnet. Pressure. Force acting per unit area is called pressure. Pressure is equal to force upon area. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Next, factors of pressure. So main factors are force and area. Pressure we use in our daily life also. For example, school bag have the wider steps, so pressure is less and we not feel load. Next, measuring of pressure. Pressure we can measure manometer and barometer. Barometer we use for measuring atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is pressure that exceeds by the atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. Application of atmospheric pressure. In general, our daily life also we use atmospheric pressure. For example, rubber air suckers in arrows and baby toothbrush, they have the suckers, so we can paste that thing in any place. Second, parachute also we are using, so it is also based on atmospheric pressure working. Straw, when we drink any soft drink, so we use straw, that is also working atmospheric pressure. When we take a disposal and do the same height one hole, so all hole same speed water comes. You can see in the activity also, see the all water comes in the same speed. Now we take another disposal and doing the holes in the heightly. So upper side holes follow the less speed of water, and downside holes high speed water comes. You can see in this activity also.